Karibu tena mtazamaji, tuendelee na taarifa za KTN leo michezo. Waziri wa michezo Amina Mohamed ameahidi kwamba ukarabati wa uwanja wa Nyayo umefika hatua za mwisho na utaanza kutumika rasmi kuanzia mwezi wa Machi. Uwanja wa Nyayo ulianza kukarabatiwa tangu mwaka 2018. Waziri Amina aidha amemkaribisha rasmi afisini katibu mpya okudo kuanza majukumu yake.
And we have agreed, all of us, that we will finish this work as quickly as possible. I have given a deadline of March for this work to be completed. Right? We have no reason to delay this anymore. I think it's become an eyesore for Kenyans who pass here every day to just look up and see this unfinished monster, right? In fact, it's become a monstrosity now. And so we've agreed, and as you can see, these two gentlemen behind me, they have pledged and promised that this work will get done. And so from next week, if you come here, you will find work ongoing day and night, because we need to complete this under instructions from His Excellency by March of this year.
I want to give you the assurance that this project is going to be completed and it will meet the threshold. We will continue to support the ministry.